Breaking news coming in from Jammu and Kashmir, where terrorists have shot two people. One property dealer has been shot dead in Srinagar, and another Jammu and Kashmir police personnel. Also, two separate incidents being reported right now from Jammu and Kashmir. We'll try and get some more information on this. Information trickling in right now is a property dealer in downtown Srinagar has been shot dead. There is also, we're getting also information that another policeman has also been shot dead. In fact, the second killing was that of a policeman in, this is in Anantnag, where he was shot and he was taken to a sub-district hospital. Initial information just trickling in. Remember, of course, we've seen a series of targeted attacks in Jammu and Kashmir over the past several days, where terrorists have been specifically targeting civilians. Terrorists have specifically been targeting Jammu and Kashmir police personnel. And in continuance of that pattern, we've seen two attacks in just under an hour, where a civilian and a policeman has been shot dead. The civilian was shot dead in downtown Srinagar, whereas the police officer, an ASI, has been shot in Anantnag. Both of them succumbed to their injuries after being taken to a nearby hospital. Okay, we'll try and get more information in just a bit from our colleagues there. Okay, Ishan joins us for more on this. Ishan, what further information can you share with us at this moment?
Well, what we know so far is that there have been two attacks, one in Nawabazar area of Srinagar city and another in Bijbehara area of Anantnag. In Nawabazar area, militants opened fire at a property dealer, Rauf Khan, who was injured critically and later shifted to the hospital. We are told by sources that he has come to his injuries at a hospital. Now, police has cordoned off the entire area. Now, in another incident, we are told that one more person who is a policeman has been shot at and critically injured in Bijbehara area of Anantnag in South Kashmir. Now, forces there say that they are trying to ascertain that where did these militants come from both locations. We have seen that there has been an upward trend in the number of targeted killings, and particularly of security forces. And also there was an alert also already issued by the security agencies asking people who are off duty to maintain a tight vigil, given the fact that there were inputs about such attacks. Now, this particular attack will definitely send the security grid in a circle, and that they might try to, send out a message and try to tell the security forces to be cautious. At the same time, the civilian targeting in Srinagar has been a concern, and it is continuing. We have seen that certain measures were taken by the security forces, but despite that, we're seeing that continuous attacks on these civilians and such attacks are taking place.
Okay, Ishan, you did mention attacks on civilians and targeted killings, but there is also a distinct pattern in attacking and targeting police officers. Jammu and Kashmir, those from Jammu and Kashmir itself, they seem to be the latest target of these killings.
Well, absolutely right. There was a specific input that our sources told us that, there's an input that these off-duty officers and policemen could be targeted. And now what we are seeing is that similar pattern happening. Just few days back, there was a policeman, a follower in Jammu and Kashmir police, who was shot in his legs in Pulwama district. And later on, he was shifted to the hospital. The second incident, which has taken place in a short while. And within 2 weeks, actually, this attack has unfolded on the security forces personnel. Now, it has been happening in the Kashmir since several years, but there is an upward trend in terms of trying to attack these personnel who are easy to target and are soft targets. So that is why it becomes primarily concerning for the security forces, that how will they be able to tackle around these particular things, because this is something which security forces had an input about, but one has to see what kind of measures does the security forces take after these particular attacks.
Okay, Ishan, thanks so much for that. We'll keep coming back to you for more two terror attacks in Jammu and Kashmir there. One in Anantnag and the other in downtown Kashmir. Ishan Vani bringing us all the details. Ishan, if you're still with us now, we generally see at this time, okay, we've lost that line with Ishan. We'll try and go back to him in just a bit. But Ishan bringing us updates of the two killings, one in Srinagar and the other in Anantnag, that have just unfolded a short while ago. The targeted attacks continue in the valley as terrorists specifically are gunning down civilians. Terrorists are specifically gunning down local Jammu and Kashmir police personnel, who have now become almost easy targets for terrorists. Well, Well, we've actually seen a spurt in attacks even on the 14th of December. In fact, there were 3 dead and 11 who were injured in a militant attack on a police bus in Srinagar. So in continuance with that pattern, there were 3 police officers and 11 who were injured after terrorists had attacked a bus carrying security forces, which happened near Srinagar city. And we've seen another incident now in less than a month.